Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to play Roblox without the app. So in order to play the Roblox without app, we need to use our internet browser. So in this case, I'm going to open Safari. So here on Safari, you just need to find the website, which is the roblox.com website. And then once you're here, as you can see, you have options to continue in app, but at the bottom, you'll find continue in browser. So tap on that. So we will then need to continue and play with or using your browser. So from here, just need to log in your account on Roblox, or maybe you can basically tap on email me a one-time code. Then enter the email verified on your account to receive a one-time code. And then once you've done, you just need to enter the one-time code that's sent to your email. And then once done, as you can see, if you have multiple profile, you can select one, and then you can enter the code generated by your Authenticator app. And once done here, you can now enable, or you will now have an access to continue on the homepage of the Roblox. So as you can see right here, you can find any experience and play on your Roblox browser. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.